How to get Sidequest on Oculus Quest 2 for PC. So guys, there are like 7 steps and I will explain you these steps right now. First of all, you need to enable developer mode. Before you can sideload applications using Sidequest, you need to enable developer mode for your Oculus Quest 2. This involves creating a developer account and enabling developer mode through the Oculus developer dashboard. You will need also to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your computer using a USB cable during this process. Step 2, you need to go and install Sidequest. So you need to enter this site sidequestvr.com, and after that you need to find the downloads tab and install this Sidequest on your Oculus 2. Step 3, connect your Oculus Quest 2 on your USB. So actually you need to make sure that your Oculus Quest 2 is turned on and connected to your computer via USB. Step 4, open Sidequest. You need to launch the Sidequest application on your computer. Step 5, you need to allow USB debugging. Actually, on your Oculus Quest 2, a dialog might pop up asking for permission to allow USB debugging. You need to grant the permission. Step 6, install application. In the Sidequest application on your computer, you can browse and search for various application and games that are available for site loading. You can also upload your own APK files if you are a developer. And the last step, number 7, you need to install selected apps. Click on the app you want to install and then click the install button. So that's it guys. Hope that this video will help you and see you next time.